language. Her mother tongue is the beautiful ancient language of Tulu from coastal Karnataka.
Thank you so much. Welcome to
Let me tell you why I was suddenly talking about Aishwarya Rai's mother tongue. Well, because the Bamai government in Karnataka is making an attempt to announce Tulu as the second official language of the state. It has been a long pending demand of Tulu-speaking population, and a committee has been constituted to look into it. The 2,500-year-old language has about 1.8 million native Tulu speakers, and Sunil Shetty, Shilpa Shetty, KL Rahul are some of the prominent faces. The demand to declare Tulu as a second official language is long-standing, and in 2008, former CM B.S. Yediyurappa also had said that Tulu will be declared as the official language. The Tulu-speaking community sees the demand as a way to preserve their cultural heritage and promote their language. Currently, there are 22 official languages in India, which include Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, and soon Tulu could join the list too.